Love is a condition of the head. Wanna push a button and reset, but you're still up in my skirt. I thought if you had a piece of me, I could keep the other 2 or 3, but now that's not how it works. I shouldn't be here right now, but you got me figured out. Pushing my pieces round, I know this game